Hey guys, welcome to Luxurians. This is Arya. Okay guys, in this video we're gonna look about famous politician and famous actor Udayanithy Stalin's car collection. Before that, if you are first to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon into all. Okay guys, Udayanithy Stalin, he was the son of Tamil Nadu's chief minister M.K. Stalin and he was now serving as a MLA. He owns lots of expensive car in his garage. So guys, let's have a deep look into that. So guys, in our list, the first car is Hummer H3. It cost 1.6 crore rupees in India. It has a 3.7 liter 4-cylinder inline engine and this engine can produce 239 horsepower and 326 Nm of torque, and this car can reach 0 to 100 in 10.3 seconds and hit the top speed of 156 kilometers. So guys, this is not a race car, it is a monster car. It can tow 2 trucks in the same time. And the another car is Benz GLE 350D. It cost 80 lakh rupees. It has a 3 liter 6-cylinder inline engine with all-wheel drive and 9-speed automatic transmission, and this engine can produce 254 bhp and 620 Nm of torque, and this car can reach 0 to 100 in 7.4 seconds and hit the top speed of 240 plus kilometers. And the next car is Maserati Gran Turismo. This car was one of the favorite car in his garage. It cost 2.30 crore rupees in India. It has a 4.7 liter V8 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission, and this engine can give 453 horsepower and 520 Nm of torque. This beauty can reach 0 to 100 in 5 seconds and hit the top speed of 298 kilometers per hour. And the fourth car is Porsche Cayenne. It cost 1.30 crore rupees in India. It has a 3 liter V6 engine with 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive option. The engine can produce 456 bhp and 700 Newton meters of torque. The car can reach 0 to 100 in 5.7 seconds and hit the top speed of 270 kilometers per hour. And the fifth car is Range Rover Sport. It was his one of the very favorite car. He mostly uses this car. It was priced 1.6 crore rupees in India. It has 3 liter V6 turbocharged engine with 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive option, and this car can produce 289 bhp and 600 Newton meter of torque. The car can reach 0 to 100 in 7.4 seconds and hit the top speed of 250 kilometers per hour. Okay guys, this was his entire car collection. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up button and comments also welcome. So guys, I'll meet you with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye guys.